Yes, YouTube family, back at it again. Blessing to each and every one of you. Blessing to each and every one, as you can see in the video there. Pan the work and this record something meanwhile and a break. Yeah man, like I'm saying, the other day I was watching Jezebel walking TV, and I hear the professor come up with a topic. Yeah, the professor Bingy come up with a topic. Even before getting at that, blessing to all the walking TV from Beliaya, one of the trendsetter at YouTube. So blessing to each and everyone. Shout out to the entire crew. Yes, as I was saying, he was getting to the topic of the man with more than one woman, and say it's a double standard because woman can't do it and a man allowed to do it, especially in some country or some society. But I beg to differ. Why I beg to differ is the purpose in which we was made for. The purpose in which we was made for. As Mother Earth and life create us. The purpose we was made for. One was made as a giver, which is the male, and the other was made as a carrier. And that's why I beg to differ. And you see, we turn instead of being the carrier and the giver as life was meant for it to be, instead we turn it in an enjoyment and recreation. Not saying we couldn't enjoy while we reproduce, not saying we couldn't enjoy, that's not what I'm saying, but we turn it from mainly reproduction to recreation and enjoyment. And let me elaborate. If you have a well and it give water, that well now stop give water until it run dry. But if you have a chuck come and catch the water from the well, as soon as that chuck fill up, it cannot carry no more. It have to go empty and reload again. So say that to say this, as a woman is the carrier, when she had become impregnate, our journey as our life created in her is to carry that child till that child enter Mother Earth, and after that child enter Mother Earth, when she ready to carry a next child, that's when it occur again. But because we turn it in a recreation and pleasure and enjoyment, even due to pregnancy, we still have sex with our partner or our significant others, because we was grown to thought that's all right, and it have no, and it have no effect. It don't affect the baby or the child, and it don't affect the woman. But let's look at one of the causes of the What the word I'm looking for? Jostling. During intercourse. Cervical cancer is one of the causes, so we can't say it have no effect and no repercussion. There is a repercussion because account of that, the hypertrophy and the lining of the vagina and the whole of that. Then account of that, some woman develop cervical cancer. And if we should even take it further and look at the animal kingdom, there is no animal that have sex or recreation. There is no animal that have sex or recreation, you know. The woman is the carrier, and as soon as the woman receives the seed to carry, that's her done for that period until she have delivered that seed and ready again to carry another seed. That's our time. But the man is up there are willing to give a seed, because that's how the man was created, willing to give a seed every day or even more than one seed. So when we look at the thing, we cannot compare the two together. We have to go back to nature and go back to creation and Mother Earth, the way the thing was meant to be. Yeah. So that's why I personally differ. And when I said I differ, I'm not saying it for affliction or for a argument, but each one teach one, and each one sitting from a different point of view, and not because we have a different point of view or nothing, that don't mean say we can't get along, because I think that's why the world itself in a turmoil, where I will deal with that next time, because people are different, and when somebody don't accept that someone is different and should get along with people because of difference, then it lead to conflict. Yes, I am, but as me say, next time I will get in at that. But on the woman and man thing, we are different, and we need to accept our different and embrace it. And that's the type of world we into, you know, where women fight for equality and all type of things, instead of embrace the difference, that they are different genetically, they structurally, they set up different from a male. Yeah. So don't make we being brainwashed or fall in this narrative that they are portraying. Let's don't fall for that. Let's go back to Mother Nature and to Earth and life itself, and analyze the thing for ourselves, and not what they are trying to push in down our throat. We must learn to read, take in, analyze, dissect, and see things ourselves and see through our own eyes, and not believe everything that they are trying to push in down our throat, or the narrative they are trying to put out there. And all through this of equality where female fight for, and all them things there. Oh, me never see no female a fight. Oh, me never see come out publicly female a fight for keep the name. And the same thing will happen in a slavery where the Caucasian give slave the name to prove ownership, and them there's something there. Now the same thing them do to the female. I same thing them do to the female. Now take them and so them married them and give them for them name, make it because them show ownership. Then how me not see no female or no feminist group come out and lobby and fight against that? Me not see none of that. So we have to open up our eyes to what go on, and the reality of this world, We have to open up, because when people are push the narrative and their agenda. They take us down a road where that's not the reality of the situation, or that's not the way Mother Nature and Mother Earth meant for it to be here. And if we don't be careful, we caught up in it all the while. So we reach a level where we have to analyze and process things and dissect, as I said, things for our own self and come to our own conclusion. Yeah, so blessing out there to each and every one who give a ears and a listen. Like I said, I'm trying to promote a thing, trying to build a thing between us all, trying to build a thing where it can reach out and inspire and enlighten people, and reach a level where we can do some outreach program, we can help people who are less fortunate and help people who are go down the wrong direction. If we can encourage, help them, show them another way, or remove them from their situation where they can develop to be a better person, as we all tried Mother Earth together. We have to come away from certain narrative. We have to start be our brother's keeper, our sister keeper, and look out for one another, because the way this earth go, Mother Earth, the way how it go, it coming like each and every day. The love for humanity is not there. We have love for everything else that this earth have to offer, but when it comes to love for each other, for humanity, and to embrace each other, we lose that. We lose that. We are kill people for 50,000. We are kill people for less. We are kill people for tip on our tour. We are kill people over disagreement. Them little things there. So that means the love gone for humanity. No emphasis, no place and life. Because if we did place emphasis on the important and life, would not go down them road there so easily, ready and willingly to destroy our next individual. We wouldn't willing and ready to do that. So until we start embrace each other and promote love for each other, then we not go get nowhere. We not go get nowhere. We go this round in a circle. Things are go on same way. And they have a saying, say, if the stream at the head of the stream dirty, then it dirty, you go dribble all the way down the rest of the stream. And that go on because at the same time, society, I tell we say we don't need to resolve violence with violence, our problem with violence. But at the same time, that's what they are promoting. At the same time, that's what they are promoting, But we get further down in it next time. Further down in it next time. That is the next topic will come at you. That is the next topic will come at you. We get further down in that another time. But we need to promote back the love for humanity. We need to promote back the love for each other. The love lasts amongst us, and because the love lasts amongst us, it takes nothing for us to wipe out our brother and our sister. Yes, so blessing to each and everyone continually. Like me say, if you like what go on, we want to build a thing together. So like, subscribe, click the notification button when something drop. You know about it, and make we build this thing here together, where we can highlight educate, inspired, help out in any way we can and motivate Blessing to each and every one. And next time I will come at you back to some work. Bless up.